Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the device model and OS version so the menu labels match. Once confirmed, back up any critical settings and note the VPN app name. Now open Settings and go straight to Control Center to start editing controls. You want to act quickly and precisely. Tap Customize Controls or the equivalent on your OS. This first move exposes the list of active and available controls, so you can remove the VPN toggle safely without touching unrelated shortcuts. Once inside Customize Controls, scan the included list for VPN, network, or any shortcut labeled with the VPN app. This is the control you'll remove. Tap the red minus icon or swipe left on that entry, then confirm Remove to delete it from the Control Center. Make sure to then scroll to the More Controls list so you don't accidentally re-add the wrong item. After removal, briefly open Control Center to preview. It should no longer show the VPN toggle or related shortcut. To finalize, close Settings and test Control Center to confirm the VPN control is gone. If it remains, restart the device to clear cached interface elements and check again. If the control keeps reappearing, disable or uninstall the VPN app because some apps re-register shortcuts automatically. As a last resort, reset Control Center or all settings, but make sure to export any configurations first. Troubleshooting tip: reboot and then disable the VPN app before resetting controls to avoid losing unrelated customizations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.